how to log in to your Revolut account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in to your Revolut account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Revolut app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the app, there you can see the option labeled as login. So simply tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here at the top, you need to select your country. And here, once you're done selecting your country, you have to enter your phone number. And now here, once you're done entering your phone number, you just have to tap on continue, and after that on the next page you have to enter your passcode, and with that you must complete the two-factor authentication with fingerprint or a face ID. And once you're done with that, you will be able to log in your Revolut account. And that's it. That's how you can log in to Revolut account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.